Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to get your invite link on Robinhood. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and start inviting their friends to Robinhood. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you'll actually do is that first you're going to log into your Robinhood account, and then on the bottom right hand side you want to click on your profile icon, and then here you're going to see this tab here called Earn Rewards. So once you click on Earn Rewards, you'll see that you'll be able to invite friends to Robinhood, where you can get up to $1,500 of a stock a year when you invite friends. So if you click on Invite Friends, here you would simply just click on Share Link Next, and then click on Copy Next. So there you have it. You've now copied your invite link to Robinhood, which you can now share with friends. And once a friend signs up and links their bank account with Robinhood, you'll both get $5 to $200 of stock from a company of your choice. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your invite link on Robinhood. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.